Hi everyone, and welcome to my video review of the full motion TV monitor wall mount bracket. This mount is a great way to save space and improve your viewing experience. It allows you to tilt, swivel, and extend your TV up to 15 inches from the wall, so you can find the perfect angle, no matter where you're sitting. Installation is relatively straightforward, and all the necessary hardware is included. The mount is also very sturdy and well built, so you can be confident that your TV is safe. Here are some of the pros and cons of this full motion TV monitor wall mount bracket. Pros: full range of motion, tilt, swivel, and extend, easy to install, sturdy and well-built. Affordable price. Cons: can be difficult to adjust if the TV is mounted high on the wall. May not be compatible with all TVs overall. I highly recommend the full motion TV monitor wall mount bracket. It's a great way to improve your viewing experience and save space in your home. Here are some tips for choosing and installing a full motion TV monitor wall mount bracket. Make sure the mount is compatible with your TV's VESA mounting pattern. Choose a mount that has a weight capacity that is greater than the weight of your TV. Consider the range of motion that you need. Some mounts offer a wider range of motion than others. Make sure the mount is easy to install. Some mounts can be difficult to install, especially if you're not familiar with D projects. When installing the mount, be sure to use a level and drill the holes carefully. Once the mount is installed, you can adjust your TV to the perfect viewing angle. Enjoy!